Yes, today we are doing one virtual cockpit retrofit for this W213, the new E-Class 2018. Now this basic instrument cluster is over here. You see, this is analog instrument cluster. This is the big display. Now we are changing this basic one to this one. Y cockpit, brand new one. Okay. Yes, please remove it. Turn off the car. Yeah, we remove, pull down the steering wheel. Actually, a little bit dismantle on top over here. Remove a few screws, then we can take off. Yeah, a few connectors we removed. Yes. Okay. Press to me. Yes. Okay. Yeah. This is the basic one. Yeah. The other side. Yeah, let's take a look. The behind. Okay. Now we are installing the new one. Okay. I give you the new one. Yeah, we remove the screen protector and let's throw in this yep. Okay, let's take a detail look about this. The mileage first. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is assistance. This is the mileage, which is 83. It's a brand new car, right? Okay. This is navigation guidance, and then this one also we can toggle between these things, right? The G-force meter, radio. Yeah. You can choose media. From USB, handphone, Bluetooth telephone, or you can choose a different design, to progressive, classic, right, to sport. We will also install the ambient lights around it, then it will be a perfect what they call retrofit job. Yeah, this is a W213, the new E-Class virtual cockpit retrofit from this old one to this new one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.